Welcome to Umbrella Programming. Please do subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to iterate list values using while loop. In Python, we have only two loops, that is for, while. In other programming languages like C, C++, Java, we have do while, switch, cases. So these are not there in Python. Only two looping conditions. Now I'm taking a list, basic list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is my list. Now how to iterate elements using while loop. List. So while I is a temporary variable here. So I less than length of L. List length of L is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length of L is 5. So I should be something. I should be 0 here. I started my I from 0. So indentation again. I have to increment my I value when the loop goes on. So I is equals to I plus 1. I'm incrementing the I value. First the I value will be 0. So 0 less than length of L is 5. 0 less than 5, true. So now it executes the body of the while loop. Then I will be incremented to 1. I is equals to I plus 1. So I will be incremented to 1. I less than 5. The condition is true. So again the body of the while loop will be executed. Now I will become 2. So 2 less than 5. The condition is true. And again the body of the while loop will be executed. Now I will become 3. 3 less than 5. Still the condition is true. Now again it will be I value will be incremented. So 4 less than 5. The condition is true. The body of the while loop will be executed and I will be incremented here. So now I value will become 5. 5 less than 5. 5 less than 5 is condition false. Once the condition fails, it will come out of the while loop to execute the rest of the statements. Okay. Now, how to print list one by one using while loop. The same block. So the while loop will be running like this. Inside the body, what I'm going to write is print L of I. So L of I is we are using here indexing. L of I, first I value is 0. L of 0 is 10. Next I value will be 1. L of 1 is 20. L of 2. Next I value will be 2. L of 2 is 30. Next I value will be 3. L of 3 is 40. Next I value will be 4. L of 4 is 50. Now I value will be 5. The condition failed, it will come out of the loop to execute the rest of the statements in the application. Okay, let's see in our IDE. So I is equals to 0 while I less than length of L, semicolon. Here also we have to follow the indentation. Print L of I. Now I have to increment my I value. I is equals to I plus 1. That's it. I'm going to execute my application. So this is how the output comes. Okay. In C and C in C, Java, We used I plus plus like this. We have been using in our previous programming languages, but in Python this one is not there. Increment and decrement operator, plus plus minus minus operator is not there. Here everything we have to write I is equals to I plus 1 or j is equals to j minus 1. Okay, like this. For increment and decrement it is a very easy way. So it is like reading an English language. That's it for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.